Today, I have a super exciting unboxing for you guys because finally, my husband is surrendering to the ultra-human ring air. You all know how much I love this ring. I've been wearing it non-stop since September of 2023. I'm even working on a new video where I'm gonna dive deep into all the things that I love about it and how it helps me on a daily basis. But today, we're gonna focus on this unboxing. First, I'm going to unbox his ring air. He went with the raw titanium version. Let's put this to the side. I love unboxing this ring. Okay. So like I said, this is the raw titanium version, and the main reason he finally caved is he wants to stop wearing his Apple Watch Ultra to sleep, but he still loves tracking his sleep, so an incredible solution, ring air. Also, just a quick reminder, if you're thinking about getting one, I do have a 10% off discount code, which is MarinaTech10, or even easier, you can just go to ultrahuman.com/Marina and the discount will be already built in at checkout. And if you want more details, I have a bunch of other videos here on the channel about the ring air, how I use it, full reviews, and even comparisons to the Apple Watch. But now let's keep going. Let's keep opening this precious ring. So this is the raw titanium version, as I mentioned. I'm gonna put it to the side just a tiny bit. And inside the box, you also get this little story right here about the ring air. Also the manuals, and you get the charger and the cable. So this is a USB-C cable. I like that it's braided. So it's a black braided USB-C cable. And this is the charger for the size 9 ring. So every charger is made to the actual ring that you purchased. So as you can see, the ring fits perfectly on the charger. Also, if you're new to this wearable, you of course go ahead and check out the videos after watching this one. But here's a quick list of things that you can expect from it. It tracks your sleep stages automatically, so you don't have to do anything. It tracks light, deep, and REM sleep. It gives you the recovery score, which helps you guide your workout intensity. It shows tossing and turning, morning alertness. It has breath work and stress rhythm features. It's great for sleep tracking without wearing the Apple Watch, so I'm definitely gonna get back to you with my husband's input after he starts wearing his precious. It also monitors heart rate, HRV, and body temperature, syncs with Apple Health. There are no subscription fees to access your data, which is something that I love about the ring air. And most importantly, it's made of titanium, so it's super lightweight and durable. It's also hypoallergenic. I'm allergic to a lot of things, and this ring doesn't give me any allergies at all. It's also water resistant, and it comes in 5 colors, including the titanium that my husband picked. And I'm gonna show you other colors as well. Now, I briefly talked about the size, and I said that the charger matches perfectly here because of the size. And if you're worried about how to choose your ring, something really cool is that when you purchase the ring air, before shipping you the actual ring, Ultrahuman will ship you the sizing kit. So you will receive a bunch of ring sizes that you can try, and they also recommend you wear them for at least 24 hours if I'm not mistaken, so you can see exactly which size is the best and most comfortable for you. So that's what I did, and I've never had any problems with the size that I picked. Also, a great tip if you are like me and you get bloated fairly easy is that I switch fingers. So if I'm not bloated, I wear it on my index finger, and if I wake up bloated for some reason, I simply switch to my middle finger. and that's no problem. I'm gonna talk about fingers that you can choose to wear your ring in a bit. If you're curious about the battery, they say on the website that it lasts up to 6 days. From my experience, it has been lasting me 4 to 5 days. They also have a locate my ring feature in the app, so if you misplace it, you can find it fairly easily. And also, for guys, I know that guys might be a little bit skeptical about wearing a ring and might be wondering if it's comfortable and also worried about how it looks, but this ring is super comfortable. I even forget I'm wearing it most of the time, and I also think the design is simple and discreet, and you can also choose a more subtle color. Now, color preference is totally personal, so I won't tell you which one looks the best, but I do have 3 different ones to show you today. So starting off, of course, the raw titanium, which is the one that my husband chose, and we just unboxed together. Let me show you closer. This is how he looks. It has a brushed finish, so it's super discreet and probably the go-to choice for a lot of guys. It looks really good. Next, we have space silver. I know you're looking at the gold now, but I'm just gonna skip this one for a second because the space silver is beautiful and it's the one that we're going to unbox next. So here we go. Same unboxing experience, of course. It looks so good. It looks great. I'm obsessed with the silver one, and in my opinion, it looks incredible with white or gold jewelry. So this is how it looks. So beautiful. So you can probably already tell that I love this color. I think the silver one is super pretty. It definitely stands out more than the raw titanium. Like I said earlier, it pairs really well with silver or white gold jewelry, and it has that clean, bright look that I think a lot of people will love. So if you're into something a little more visible but still elegant, this might be the one for you. And of course, I already mentioned it, but I also have the gold, which I was wearing until right now because I'll change to the silver in a few minutes. It pairs perfectly if you're into gold accessories, and I don't know, I also think it looks incredible. I think this is a perfect ring for girls, but I've seen a lot of guys wear the gold one and it looks great as well. So it's definitely a personal choice. When it comes to color, it's definitely personal preference. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that all of them will scratch over time, which is completely normal. All jewelry scratch, so there's really nothing you can do about it. I've seen a lot of people wear rubber protections to go to the gym. I linked an option down below in the description if you're interested. At the gym, I basically wear gloves to protect the ring and also to protect my hands, so it's definitely up to you. But the cool thing is that these lighter tones, especially the raw titanium, it hides scratches much better than the non-brushed versions. So let me show you. I have 2 older rings here for comparison. Okay, so this is an older raw titanium ring that I have, and this is how it looks compared to the new one. I feel like the brushed finish really helps with the scratches. So you tell me. Old one, new one. It's really hard to tell. Both of them look good. It's impressive. Okay, let me put the old one to the side so we don't get these mixed up. Now, this is the older space silver, and this is the new space silver. here you can see a few scratches or dirt. Yeah, a few scratches. So old one on the right and new one on the left. And I know it's a different color, but I now want to show you my gold ring compared to the silver ring. The gold one, I think, was the ring that I wore the most, so it shows more signs of use, but I still think it looks really good. So here you go. The left one is the silver ring, the new one, and the right one is the older gold. All jewelry scratches. So even if you compare it to my wedding ring, like you can see there are scratches on it, but I like it. Now, I used to have a matte gray version and that one showed wear a lot more. So just something to consider if you're picky about that. I would choose the raw titanium. Raw titanium would be my first option if you're picky about signs of wear, and then silver and gold, and then the black options. And something really cool that I learned directly from the founders is that you can wear it on any finger. So if you're not a fan of wearing rings on your index finger, no problem. You can wear it on your middle finger or even on your pinky. That said, the index and middle fingers are the most accurate because they tend to have better blood flow and less movement than the ring or pinky, which helps the sensors capture more stable heart rate and temperature data. But again, it's really flexible. It's up to you, and you can just test what works better for you. So now, before I finish this video, let's set up my new ring. Oh my god, that's so exciting. But also, this is how the app looks once you open it. Something that I love doing is checking my sleep score once I wake up. Because it's already 6 p.m, it's showing it's placed right here towards the bottom of the app, but usually when I wake up, it shows at the top, so it's the first thing that you see when you open the app. So this is my sleep score for today. It was kind of bad, actually. 7 hours of sleep. I kind of woke up in the middle of the night for some reason. I had a lot of movement, which is not really common for me. I usually sleep pretty well, but today it wasn't the best. And as you can see, the score is 77. It's not showing a green color, so you can tell it wasn't the best. But it's great having this data. Also, it shows you the movement score. I've been working the whole day today and sitting in front of the camera, so I haven't been walking as much. And you can tell it's 6 p.m. and I only took 3,000 steps, so not the best. Also, I'm stimulated right now because I'm thinking, I'm talking, and I'm here recording videos. So you can see that I'm stimulated, but I'm not stressed, which is great. So this is how the app looks. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail because I have other videos here on the channel, like I said in the beginning, and I also have more videos about Ultrahuman to show you guys. So let's go ahead and set this ring up. So because this is not my first ring, the app is going to look a little bit different than yours if you're setting up your ring for the first time, but it's going to be easy no matter what. So right now I'm going to go right here to this ring icon, which also shows the battery status. I'll go all the way down and press on setup new ring, then hit confirm. And here you need to type setup and confirm. So automatically it finds my ring because it's already connected to the app. And now I have to put my new ring to charge and it will find it. So let's put this ring to charge. As you can see, it already found the silver ring. So the only thing I need to do is tap on start my journey. Pair. Now it's going to check a few things on the ring. So temperature sensor, heart rate sensor, motion sensor. It's gonna check if everything is running smoothly on the ring. And that's it. I can already wear my silver ring, and oh my goodness, I'm so happy it came with a full charge, 100%. So I can definitely do this because I would wait to wear it. Oh my God. It looks so good. I'm so happy. I get so excited with Ultra Human Ring Airs all the time. I can't wait for my husband to start wearing his. I want to hear all of his notes and updates and everything. Also, before I go, something nice is that you can create zones with your friends. So the same thing that you do with the Apple Watch and you share your scores with your friends, you can do the same thing with the Ultra Human Ring Air. So my husband and I could compete and see who's taking more steps or who's having the better sleep. That's incredible. And that's it for today's unboxing. If you're thinking about getting the Ring Air, once again, don't forget you can use my discount code MarinaTech10 for 10% off. Or you can simply head to ultrahuman.com/Marina and the discount will be already applied at checkout. Let me know in the comments which color would you go for, or actually which color you already purchased if you already purchased a Ring Air. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. Make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.